So this is our new Samsung Galaxy A13. As you can see, it is well sealed, and the phone also comes with a 24 months warrant backed with Samsung Authorized Service Center at Westlands. You can find us at the 4th floor Ami Arcade, Westlands, in case you experience any warrant related issues or even repair. Okay, so I'm going to open it and we see what does the phone come with. So this is my phone. Inside here I have the user manual. Just the user manual. It comes with a charging adapter, which is 15 watts of charge. It comes with the USB Type-C cable. This SIM ejector pin. And here is my A13 Galaxy. It's black in color. Wow, looks so nice. You can see some few changes at the back. You can see the placing of the cameras, totally different from the A12 and the Samsung logo. Thing about the cameras, it has got the quad cameras at the back. I have two megapixels. These are macro one. There is the 5 megapixels ultra wide angle. That this is now the main camera, 50 megapixels. Slight improvement from the A12, which previously had 48 megapixels. So, and these are 2 megapixels depth camera. It also has a flash which can enable me to take photos still at night. The front camera is 8 megapixels and it comes with a bokeh effect. So that will enable you to capture more of view and lesser background. This it has got a jack pin port. There's a USB charging port, that is Type-C, and the speaker. On the side, it has got the side-mounted fingerprint, which you can also use as a power button. These are the volume buttons. There's a speaker, and there's the front camera. So that is just the physical appearance of the phone, and actually you can feel the feel is so smooth. It's very smooth. I like it. And the weight. This is also a dual SIM phone. As you can see the SIM tray. I can opt to use whichever network I want to use. So it is a dual SIM phone, plus it comes with a memory card slot. So still, if I have my photos or music in my memory card, I can still carry them with me on this mem card slot and still enjoy my dual SIM slot. That is another added advantage. So this one here, it's got a good storage capacity and the RAM. This one, it's a 128 GB storage plus a RAM of 4. You can also get it at a 4 GB RAM plus 64. Samsung has also promised 2 years of software update and 4 years of security purchase updates for this model. Through Samsung membership, you can get automatic checks, interactive checks, clean memory and optimized settings.